All right, so yeah, happy spring, although it still looks like this outside in the capital. Roads are mainly wet until you get up into the higher terrain around town. That will likely stay that way until the sun starts to go down. It's another hour and a half or so when it gets dark. Temperatures will drop down below the freezing point. We lose that fairly strong March sun angle even through the clouds and the snow. That's why I'm not looking at that snow sticking on the road surfaces here just yet. Great Falls, the snow is getting close. It's moving up through the southern parts of Cascade County, 28 degrees. Teens right now. Havre and Glasgow. Well, it's been a really cold and snowy month of March thus far for a lot of the highline here. Thompson Falls, 52, 49 over in Missoula. Pretty good east wind coming down from the Canadian prairies and the Dakotas here, and that's pushing some of this colder air that's out off towards the northeast of us back into the state here. 3 wind chill right now in Havre. 4 is what it feels like outside in Glasgow. And there's the snow, and the snow is really going to make its way up to about the Missouri River. I know the Missouri River goes right about here, but the northern extent of this snow will be about the Missouri River, which is why the winter weather advisory goes as far north as the Highwoods, the Little Belt Mountains here. One could maybe make an argument that the Big Snowy should be in there, but the higher terrain west and south of Helena, down around Interstate 90, also under this winter weather advisory. There's the snow in and around Helena. It's been snowing most of the day. Off towards the northeast, there's that snow starting to work its way up closer to Great Falls and out across the Little Belt through the Judith Gap area to about the Lewistown area. We're looking at some light snow. That's the northern edge of one of several waves of low pressure, the stronger one off towards the south that kicked off some thunderstorms for the Wasatch Frontier this afternoon. High pressure off towards the north, weighing up in northwestern Canada. That's pushing some colder air down, providing the right temperature for the precipitation to be in the form of snow. Central eastern part of the country very quiet. Look at all that lightning activity down to the south. So here's about the Missouri River, and there's the snow getting as far north as about the Missouri River. Of course, north of the Missouri, up along the Rocky Mountain front there. But little snow to Great Falls tonight, snowing throughout most of the night around Helena and Lewistown. By 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, that snow should start moving south of Great Falls and slowly diminish through the morning hours, Helena, Lewistown. The clouds still stick around into the afternoon in some places. Mid to late afternoon may see a bit in the way of some sun coming through here before the sun goes down. And then another storm will head our way for Wednesday. However, this one looks like it'll stay a little further towards the south. That snow may just get up to about the Lewistown area, maybe around the Helena area, but a little more accumulation Wednesday down closer to Interstate 90. But through the night into tomorrow morning, you could see some of that accumulation again. Really, Lewistown, Great Falls, Helena Point south. That's where we could see about 1 to 3 inches in the lower elevations. And again, we've got that winter weather advisory for the mountains, higher terrain, as much as about 5 to 12 inches of snow. The highline, just cold here on this first night of spring. 6 in Turner, 7 in Malta. Central Montana, that snow again through the Lewistown area, maybe as far north as Denton and Great Falls and Augusta, Choteau. Looking at a little of that snow tomorrow morning. Roads will be a little slick again, really from about the Missouri or right here, point south. The storm moves out later in the day. Cold temperatures, 20s and 30s, a little warmer west of the divide. For Wednesday, that storm a little further towards the south, the track of this next one here. So still pretty cold, but some good sunshine further towards the north, becoming mostly cloudy for places like Helena, possibly even Great Falls, with the storm coming close but not really hitting. Thursday, a little warmer, some places up into the 40s and the 50s. Some snow showers in the western mountains in the afternoon, and then heading into Friday, this front goes through and it's a blustery, chilly day with moderate to heavy snow showers over and near the mountains to end the week. 45, that's not so bad for Friday, but with the wind and the snow showers around, it'll feel cooler, and we've got more snow, especially Sunday when we could have light snow.